Well, hi there pluckers, Arvis All Things again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had from one of my viewers for a lesson on a song called Peach Fuzz by a band called Caamp. I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Caamp, okay? Shall I say, I'm going to go through the intro, the first verse, first pre-chorus, the first chorus. I might even carry on to the second verse, I'm not sure yet, we'll see how it goes. And then I shall break it all down and show you how I played it, okay? It's all bar chords, it's all bar chords this song, so if you don't play bar chords you may find this a bit tricky. I am playing it as per the band, I'm not simplifying it in any way, okay? So here we go, singing as usual for reference only, okay? I was in the corner, drinking from the punch. Yeah, you were in the kitchen, cutting up a rug. No need to complicate it, I had fallen in love with you, so underrated. Something filling up my lungs. Every colour of your love I've seen enough on one another. Every colour of your love I've seen enough on one another. Hey little mama, when you talk back I see your eyes light up and I'm just a peach fuzz boy, I'm so alone. No, I don't wanna miss you any come home. Knock knock, you're coming over a couple times a week, hanging on my shoulder, shaking like a leaf. Every colour of your love I've seen enough on one another. Every colour of your love I've seen enough on one another. Hey little mama, when you talk back I see your eyes light up and I'm just a peach fuzz boy, I'm so alone. No, I don't wanna miss you honey, come home. Right, that's it. And then he goes into a bit of an ad-lib guitar solo which goes on for half a minute or so, or a minute, okay, which I'm not going to do. So let's get to it. It's not the song, okay, so let's get to it. So starts off with a D flat, okay, so it's a 4th fret bar chord, singing on the first finger, and then I'm barring the 6th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my 3rd finger, or you can use 3 fingers like that, whichever you want to do. Okay, so and it's a that sort of rhythm. Okay, that's the sort of tempo rhythm, sort of strumming style. Okay, so and then it goes to D flat, and then it goes to A flat, 4th fret bar chord, and then it goes in this key. I'm going to call it G flat. Okay, it's an F sharp or a G flat. I'm going to call it a G flat. 2nd fret bar chord, major chord. Okay, and then repeats. So it's okay, got the idea? So the A flat is like a passing chord, just a once, very quick. Okay, A flat to G flat, back to D flat. Okay. It does that sequence about 4 times, and then it just carries on, and the verse comes in, and it's the same sequence all the way through the verse. Okay, and the pre-chorus. The every colour of love, of your love bit. It's exactly the same chord sequence, but the words timing is slightly different. Okay, so let's do the intro, the first verse and the first pre-chorus, because it's exactly the same chord sequence. Okay, so here we go. 4 lots of intro. we go. I was in the corner, drinking from the punch. Yeah, you were in the kitchen, cutting up a road. No need to complicate it, I had fallen in love with you, so underrated. Something filling up my lungs. Every colour of your love I've seen enough, I want another. Every colour of your love I've seen enough, I want another. Right, now it goes into the chorus proper, and we go into a B flat minor bar chord. First fret bar with the minor shape, B flat minor, and that's hey little mama when, hey little mama when you talk back. So that's B flat minor, hey little mama when, G flat, second fret bar chord major, you talk back to the D flat. So it's B flat minor, G flat, D flat. Okay. Hey little mama when you talk back. Repeat that line. Same again. B flat minor, G flat, D flat. Okay. So it's from the beginning. Hey little mama when you talk back, I see your eyes light up and I love that. Okay. Exactly the same line twice. Okay. And then it stays on the D flat and goes, I'm just a peach boy, and then it goes on the D flat, I'm just a peach boy, and back to the G flat, quick G flat, I'm so, back to the D flat, lone. Okay, so it's, let's do the first three lines now. So, hey little mama when you talk back, I see your eyes light up, I'm just a peach boy, I'm so alone. Got that? G flat, so D flat, lone. And then there's a quick A flat, no. Then B flat minor, I don't wanna miss you honey, G flat, D flat, home. And then, okay, so let's do this chorus again, slowly. Hey little mama when you talk back, I see your eyes light up and I love that. I'm just a peach fuzz boy, I'm so alone. Oh, I'm just to miss you honey, right? And just then does that for about another 2 or 3 bars, and then the singing comes in for the next verse. Knock, knock, you're coming over. And it does the same, got the same sort of, it goes into another verse basically. Okay, so let's just go through that whole thing and go into this second verse. Okay, second verse for you. Okay, so we'll just do 2 intros and then the first verse. Okay. I was in the corner, drinking from the punch. Yeah, you were in the kitchen, cutting up a rug. No need to complicate it, I had fallen in love with you, so underrated. Something filling up my lungs. Every colour of the love I've seen enough of one another. Every colour of the love I've seen enough of one another. A little bit, so chorus. Hey little mama when you talk back, see your eyes light up and I love that. I'm just a peach fuzz boy, I'm so alone, no, I don't wanna miss you honey, come home. Knock, you're coming over a couple of times a week, hanging on my shoulder, shaking like a leaf. enough, I want another. Every colour of your love, I've seen enough, I want another. Chorus. Hey little mama, when you talk back, I see your eyes light up and I'm just a peach fuzz boy, I'm so alone though. I don't wanna miss you, honey, come home. Okay, there you have it. Thanks very much for watching, listening. Hopefully it'll help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.